What's up, guys? So we're out at Yona Preserve, Cleveland, Georgia. Got her with me. We're gonna try to do some fishing. Alright guys, so today I'm fishing with this bluegill swim bait I got off a TikTok shop. It's literally the closest thing I can find to matching the hatch around here, and it's basically identical to some of the bluegill pumpkin seed we pull out of this pond, so it should work pretty well. Now we're gonna go with a little worm I dug out the backyard. Throw it right here on this log. See what we can catch. It's a hard knock life. Well, you guys seen it there. I don't suck at fishing. I just can't ever get them on the bank. See? Can't ever get them on the bank.
They are fierce.
That first one was a bass. That one was a bluegill.
Yeah, I thought the first one was a bass. What did he call it?
It's a bluegill. First fish of the day, finally. After like 2 hours.
So I caught the first fish?
Yeah, I ain't caught nothing besides that.
I was about to say, throw right there. I saw a big old fish.
Yeah, I see you came over here after I started catching the fish.
No?
Yeah, it is.
Yeah, small man.
Out of way. Oof.
I know that hurt. Ooh! Now I know why you said ooh. That's a nice one. That brim's like he's gonna throw me some more food back down here. Look at them, they really are.
Caught another one. Don't you guys hate when you're fishing and your hands look like this, but you're a little bit hungry? We got something for you. Smacking sunflower seeds. Backyard barbecue, garlic parmesan, cinnamon churro, OG original, and cracked pepper. It was also a dill pickle, but it didn't make it too long. This is definitely by far my favorite flavor out of all of these. The cinnamon churro is good too. You wouldn't expect sweet to be good on sunflower seeds, but it is. But yeah, guys, check them out on TikTok Shop. Use 15% off, save you a couple.
What's that on his face? Oh, that's where I hooked him. You want me to grab him? He ain't gonna bite me now, is he? Here, can you grab my rod? Watch out for the hook. Your hand is right on it.
I know.
Come on, little dude. I'm not gonna throw you in.
Put his gills in the water.